Hello everyone, welcome to the introduction video about the Bund module in the eSurvey Water package. The Bund module of the eSurvey Water Infra Suite is a solution for rejuvenating tank bund with benching and the new AMI minor irrigation tank. This tool helps create the tank bund cross sections for various requirements like rehabilitation of the existing bund, the widening of existing tank bund, one side or both sides, and the provision of revetment and benching. Tank bund or earth bund is an impervious embankment of earth or a wall of brick, stone, concrete, or other suitable material, which may form part or the entire perimeter of a compound that provides a barrier to retain liquid. You can use this extensively to create improvements to the existing tank bund or create minor irrigation tanks. Using this module, you can quickly achieve the more significant challenges of benching to the required width to achieve the necessary compaction by watering and rolling. It also caters to other various essential components of a tank bund, like revetment, cut-off trench, side drain, etc., to name a few. For a minor irrigation tank, you can easily manage the option for various settings arising due to the height difference between the bed level and the top level by creating the template per required standards. The same can be applied based on the different heights and lengths along the bund. This module is most suitable for professionals working in irrigation projects. To create the tank bund cross sections, first, import the cross-sectional levels from Excel data or a CAD drawing with a prescribed Excel template. In the Design Parameters settings, enter all the required settings like improvement side or sides, revetment provision, TBL, tank bund level, MWL, maximum water level, freeboard FTL, full tank levels, benching width and height, stripping depth, etc. Now you can view the cross sections at the selected changes and generate area and the volume reports. You can also generate the longitudinal profile with existing TBL and proposed TBL. Export all the drawings into CAD packages. The Bund module is an essential tool to create cross-sections of a tank bund for improvements and new minor irrigation tank and automatic generation of benches considering the existing slope of the bund. It dramatically helps to generate cross-sections depicting the revetment of stone pitching. You can create multiple templates in case of a new minor irrigation tank just by changing the standard variables in the settings and applying the templates based on the bund's height or generating volume reports for various layers. You can automatically adjust the scale as required and create hurting, toe wall for revetment, to drain, cut-off trench, and sand blanket. The Bund module saves lots of time and improves accuracy. You can generate a customized Excel report as a reference for submissions and analysis and create drawings in CAD format for ease of access and sharing. If you are working in the infrastructure industry, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We regularly add informative videos about infrastructure design and engineering solutions. Road Infra Suite and Water Infra Suite are very popular software solutions for infrastructure engineering. You can also book a free demonstration of the software by visiting www.esurveying.net. You may reach us through email at info@esurveying.net. You can call us on +919 449 or book online demonstration through our website www.esurveying.net.